Hi guys, in this lecture I'm going to show you how to connect Visual Studio Code with SQL Server. Okay, so after that we'll be running SQL queries. We'll create a table and then we'll insert some values in the table and then we'll do select from the table. Okay, so first of all I'm going to open the SQL Server management tool and then I'm going to connect. Okay, it is opening. Okay, now server type, I will select the database engine. So let me show you the service, the SQL service that I'm running right now. SQL service. Let me show you the name of my service. Okay, so service name is this SQL. This one is the name of my service. Now it is up and running. Okay, server name is this. This is the service name along with my laptop name, so it becomes the server name. Authentication, so I'm going to choose the Windows authentication. Okay, encryption mandatory. Okay, I'm going to check this. So connect. So this is how it is going to connect to SQL Server. Now I will right click and I will do new query. Okay, and then I will create a database. Create database, and the name of my database demo underscore project is the name of my database, and I will execute this query. So the database has been created with name demo underscore project. Now I'm in the search bar, I will type Visual Studio Code and I will open this tool, and now I'm going to install it, a SQL Server extension. So I will go in the extension section and I will search SQL space server, and look, this is the extension by Microsoft. Okay, now install this extension. Okay, so you have to wait until this is completed. It may take a few seconds to complete, so wait until this is done and dusted. Okay, it has been installed. So better is to close the Visual Studio Code and reopen it. So Visual Studio Code. So now I'm going to use this SQL Server to connect to the database. So now this is going to take some time. Connection, so it is loading something. Okay, so you have to wait for a while. Okay, now so I'm going to add a new connection. So in order to add a new connection, I will go here and I will give some information, like I will give server name. Okay, server name I'm going to get, I will right click, connect. This is going to be the name of my server. Just copy it and paste it over here. This will be my server name, and then authentication type I will select Windows authentication. Okay, database name I will give this one. This is going to be the name of my database. Just copy and paste it over here. Okay, so all my tables will be created in this database. Now all other settings are okay. I don't need to provide any other information. The profile name is optional. Connect. Enable trust server certificate. Click this. Look, the connection has been established. Now I can create tables, I can create views. So now I will create a table. So new table and loading table designer. This is taking some time to load, and just wait for a while. So open in editor. Okay, now I will create a table. I will create this users table. Let me just copy and paste it over here. This is going to create a table for me and execute query. This one. Okay, the table has been created. Okay, with name users. So look, users. Now I'm going to insert some values in my users table. So I will just copy this query and paste it over here. Okay, now execute. So this statement has been executed successfully. Now I'm going to do select to query data from my table. Select star from users. Select this and execute. Look, this is what I've got from this table: user ID, first name, last name, and email. Okay, so I hope you have gone through the process of connecting Visual Studio Code with SQL Server. Thank you so much and have a great learning. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and give your feedback in the form of comments. Thank you so much and have a great learning.